Now that you know where to locate, view, and download the promotional materials for your outlet, we'll be walking through how to customize them and best practices for including FAB branded materials in your promotion. At the top of the main page, we'll return to the Guide section and open the Customizing FAB Marketing Materials with Canva guide. You can open the guide by clicking the pop-out icon in the top right-hand corner, and the guide will open in a new tab. If you are not familiar with Canva, it is a free design tool that anyone can use to create custom marketing materials for your outlet. For this purpose, we will be using it to edit and customize FAB materials that you've seen to include information about your outlet. If you've not signed up for the free version of Canva, you can follow this link here to get started. You will need to be registered in order to use the tool to customize your material. We've also included a very informative webinar on how to build beautiful marketing assets with Canva from our friends at the CSA Innovation Network. Below that link, you'll find information on customizing your FAB marketing materials and links to all of the versions of the customizable promotional materials specific to your outlet model and the language options. As you click on one of the materials, you'll be directed to the file on the Canva website. If you are not already registered or logged in, you will need to do that in order to view and edit the file. Once you open the file in Canva, the first thing you'll need to do is to click File and Make a Copy. This creates a new copy of the file for you to be able to edit with your market information without making changes to the original file. You can name the file at the top of the page, and your changes will be automatically saved as you go. If you forget to do this before making edits, please click the Undo button at the top of the page to return the format to the original format. Then go to File and Make a Copy before you start. You will see that there are two editable boxes provided in the section of the graphic where your outlet information can be included. We've suggested that you include the market name, location, hours of operation, and any pertinent contact information in this first box. The second box here suggests where you would include your outlet logo. You can remove the outlet logo text box and drop your logo into this space by clicking the outlet logo box and delete, and then going to Uploads to find your logo file, or as we've done here, you can locate your logo file in a folder that you've created with logo files for easier access. Once you drop the logo file into the document, you can resize the logo file and move it to fit the space. You can also move your outlet information over and put your logo next to it. If you want to add a back page to your flyer, you can click the Add Page button, and you can create a fully custom back page for your FAB flyer that includes more information about your market or upcoming events. Once you've included all of your outlet information and logo, you can download the custom document here, or you can share the link to the document, and you can also click these three dots here to open up options for ordering prints directly through Canva. The layout is similar for the flyers and posters for all outlet options. We've also included postcards with the editable space located here. And for farmers markets using the token model to redeem SNAP and FAB at your outlet, we've added customizable vendor signage. This is for vendors at your outlet to display on their booth or tent to make it easy for customers to identify where their tokens can be used. These signs can be customized with your specific token color, and you can open the file for SNAP or SNAP and FAB. You will follow the same process to first save a copy. Before editing, go to File and Make a Copy. This will be the file that you edit, and you can name it specific to your market. Again, if you accidentally make changes before making a copy, please use the undo arrow at the top of the page to return the file to the original and then make a copy before beginning your edits. This text box is a space saver for where your token images will go. You can download your applicable token images from the folder located in the print materials section of your promotion material package under vendor signs. Right-click the image and download to your computer. You will need to then upload those images to Canva by clicking on the Uploads tool and then Upload Media. You'll find the token images in your computer and upload them here. Once the token images are uploaded to Canva, you can delete this text box as a place saver, and you can move the images that apply to your market into the file. You may want to resize the token images to fit and fill the space to make it easy for customers to see and read. When you're done, you can download your custom sign here or share it with a link, or you can order prints through Canva by clicking on the three dots at the top right of the page. If you have questions or need support in using Canva to customize your FAB promotional materials, please reach out to Megan Fivash at megan@feedingflorida.org. As you customize and create marketing materials to promote FAB at your market, keeping the look and feel of Fresh Access Books as a brand consistent is important for customers, community partners, program sponsors, and other stakeholders. As a statewide program, we want to ensure that FAB looks the same across all market models and across all regions. To help guide that mission, we've put together a comprehensive brand guide for partners to use when promoting FAB. The brand guide is located here on the main promotions page, and you can open it by clicking on the right-hand side pop-out icon. The guide gives a description of our program for you to use in marketing and communications of FAB at your outlet. It also provides a description of the voice of FAB, the tone of how we communicate our program. You can use this voice as a reference when creating promotional FAB social media posts, blogs, etc. We've also included the FAB logos to use. These files are available in the logo folder on the main promotions page. And here are some do's and don'ts on how to use the logo and where. We've included brand fonts to use, and the files for each font are linked in, so you can download any fonts that you are not currently available in your application's font choices. You'll find brand colors located here with the hex numbers to use, these numbers underneath, to find specific color in whatever application you may be working in, Canva, Illustrator, Word, etc. To find the color, you simply click on the custom color option in that application and then type in this corresponding hex number. At the bottom of the guide, we've included our FAB hashtags. Please use these when creating social media posts promoting FAB at your outlet. We hope that these resources are helpful tools for you to promote FAB at your outlet. And again, if you have questions about how to use the brand guide or need support with creating FAB promotional materials for your outlet, please contact Megan Fivash at megan@feedingflorida.org.